Hi, I'm Royal and welcome to this demo of Spur. We are a Shopify app that any direct-to-consumer brand on Shopify can install and set up within 2 minutes. Let's have a look at the app itself. Firstly, our app helps these brands with support by bringing all of their conversations from Facebook and Instagram into one single place. This shared inbox right here. So no more shifting between messaging now. Then we automate simpler conversations with their customer. This automation is readily available and installed on all of their messaging channels as soon as they finish the 2-minute setup. All they need to do is just go to this automation tab, configure it by selecting a bunch of options, or change the copywriting to include their own brand language. Now, customers get a reply within seconds, and the brand's agents get more time to focus on complex queries. Let's see this automation in action for the brand. When the conversation starts, the customer is greeted with a list of frequently asked questions that is crafted by us after working with more than 100 brands. They can buy a product, track their order, submit a query or a complaint, ask for collaboration, and much more. Let's try and buy a product. Clicking the button on the first ad takes us to the brand's website. The customer's journey from the point they click this button to adding products to their cart, completing the purchase, everything is tracked by Spur. In fact, we can see that by going to the database tab and finding the order I just completed. Here it is. Similarly, going back to FAQs, we can track the same order and even submit a query to, let's say, change the color of the product we just ordered. All right. Now, the brand will receive a notification about this query. And again, by going to the database tab, we can find the query and all the context about the customer, like their name, contact, and order details. Talk with the customer, resolve the query, and move ahead. The third thing we help with is marketing with our unique tool called Post to Products, using which the brand can connect any of their Facebook or Instagram posts with the products from their Shopify store, set up triggers, and as soon as someone comments on the post like this, they get the exact products right in their DMs. How crazy is that? This time, instead of completing the purchase, let's go till the end and abandon the cart. Don't worry, one can track that too. And then nudge the customer to complete their purchase after a set amount of time and give them a small discount to motivate them further. Lastly, a basic overview of how the automation is performing can be found in the dashboard tab. Well, that's about it. Thanks a lot for watching this demo and see you on the other side.